You know, I started at a young age. I think it was 18. I was working at this place in Uvalde, and they asked, hey, we have a competition of fajitas, and no one wanted to do it, and I said, I'll do it. So I took my little grill that my dad had in his backyard and took a bunch of friends, and we were drinking beer out of cups, but we were 18 years old, didn't care. And there was about 50 good cookers, and we ended up getting like 6th place right off the bat. They thought we were cheating because there was no way that a bunch of 18-year-old snobby kids were doing really good. And you know, I hit it off right off the bat, and that really got me into the cooking industry, and I really enjoyed it. And I think that's when I found out what was my calling. And now I'm a chef, and I think it was not until 10 years ago that my neighbor said, dude, you got to do this competition barbecue stuff, and I didn't know what it was all about. And he entered me up, and we hit 1st place right off the bat, and now, as they say, the rest is history. So I've been doing it for 10 years.
Started out in college up at Texas Tech University, going to the Bob Wills Festival, Turkey Festival, and competing out there. But being on the barbecue circuit, it's been since 2007, going on 10 years, and I've gone through the times of different apparatuses, different techniques, and I guess that's what's made me pretty successful. It's just going with the punches of barbecue and learning just all the aspects of it. First thing was brisket, and it was like boot leather. And let me tell you, I've cooked a lot of crappy briskets before I figured it out, and that's what I tell everybody. I mean, it's going to take some time. But let me tell you, with the REC TEC, it's going to take a shorter time because it's magic. It's voila. So yeah, that was my first experience. It was a cooking a brisket.